Hello, hello. I want to tell you how I grew my YouTube channel. I started out with 70 subscribers and currently I have over 700 subscribers. Well, how did I do it? I will give you some advice on how you too could possibly do that and go beyond. Now, I did this without having a viral video. I've just been doing some things over time that has brought me to this point. Before I get into the advice, this is important to know. I am 52 years old, and when I first started on YouTube, I uploaded my first video June 26th of 2024, but it was only audio. I was a faceless channel when I started. I was thinking in my mind I would be more like a podcast because I did not want to be on YouTube. I did not want to show my face on YouTube, but I did want to document my journey. And I thought, how can I make the two worlds meet? And that's what I decided to do. I was a faceless channel. I had about 20 subscribers. And they were faithful subscribers. They were always commenting on my videos. They were encouraging me. And that encouragement and that support is what led me to showing pictures at the end of one of my reviews. It was my 6-month weight loss review. I showed before and after pictures at the very end. I received so much positive feedback from that video that it inspired me to show my face. I thought, how can I be on a weight loss journey and not show my face, especially when I'm inspiring some people to lose weight right along with me. So I made the decision that day that I was going to show my face. But it took me a little while because I still was so nervous and scared and all those emotions you feel when you want to create a YouTube channel and you want to show your face, but it's hard to get past the fear. I did get past that fear. I uploaded my first video showing my face August 25th of 2024. So it has been a 6-month journey for me here on YouTube, but I always say it's been a 4-month journey because when I started showing my face, those 20 subscribers turned into 70 by September. Those 70 subscribers 4 months later have turned into over 700. So subscribe to my channel and follow me on my journey and watch me get to those 1,000 subscribers. Let's get to that advice. Well, I'm going to give you some advice that I wish someone had given me before I uploaded my first video. The first thing I can tell you is just start. I know we all have heard that. If you've seen some of these YouTube videos, it says, oh, just start. Well, actually, I'm going to be honest with you. That's great advice. Just get started. I'm telling you, the best thing you can do is upload that first video. After you upload that first video, all your anxiety and everything you've been nervous about won't go away, but it will make you feel so much better. It will get you started on your YouTube journey. So just start. The second thing I will tell you is to niche down. And when people say niche down, you might say, what does that mean? First of all, I love the word niche. I don't know where that word came from, but I just love saying niche down. And really, that is the truth. When people are searching for a YouTube channel or trying to find a connection or build a community with someone, it is good to have a place to go where you can learn about weight loss or a specific GLP-1 medication. So my niche is weight loss, but I have a specific GLP-1 medication that I take that allows me to niche down. I will say, try different things. And when you find something that sticks with an audience, a video that takes off, that is probably the direction you should go. You should niche down on that. So I can't say it enough. Find your own voice on YouTube. And when you find something that works, stick with it. The third thing is to be consistent. Being consistent is important because it sets up an expectation from your audience that you are going to show up every week or every other week or twice a week, whatever your consistent schedule looks like. I would say if you're starting out, make that goal of 1 video a week. And if you have time and motivation to increase it to 2 videos a week or 3 videos a week, that is great. But I would say get started with that 1 video a week and be consistent. And if you post every Monday, your supporters can know to expect you on Monday. If you decide to post every Wednesday or every Thursday, your supporters will know to show up that day. I will be honest with you and share that when I first started on YouTube, I was not working every day. I was off for the summer. So I was producing videos on a regular basis. Well, I'm an educator, and now that school has started back, I don't have time to record videos the way I once did. Now I am battling with that myself. That is something that is a goal of mine, is to be more consistent with posting videos. So I don't really have a set schedule, but I do post every week. And eventually my goal, when I find my sweet spot, is to tell my audience, I'm going to post every Thursday. I'm going to post every Friday. Right now, I've been posting weekly and consistently, but I don't have a particular day. So that's also something I want to work on as well. The thing I will tell you is to engage with your audience. When your audience leaves a comment, make a comment back. That definitely helps to grow your channel and to show YouTube that you are engaging with your audience. When someone makes a comment and you respond back, that is a sign to them that you care about what they're saying about your videos and you want them to come back. Now, if you're a huge channel and you have 1,000 comments, I know it's probably impossible to get to, but a small channel starting out should definitely be responding to those comments. Even if you're just loving the comment and not making a comment back, at least love the comment, like the comment. When you put yourself in someone else's shoes and you think how you feel when you get a response back, that's the same way you want your audience to feel. So I would say engage your subscribers, engage the people that are watching. Another thing I wanted to add to engaging with your audience, that is, if you can't create a video every week, then at least post something in your community tab. The community tab, I have tapped into that. And that's a great way to connect with your subscribers. That's a great way to just say, hello, how are you doing? Root them on, encourage them, share some information about you. I have definitely been using that community tab more. And I wish when I started, someone had told me to post on my community tab. I somehow discovered it and I love it. It's just a quick way to engage with my subscribers and let them know that I'm thinking of them. It's just a great communication tool. You can post images, you can post polls, you can post questions, you can post a picture of yourself, whatever you need to do to engage your audience. So use that community tab. The fifth piece of advice I will give is age is just a number. If you are 40, 50, 60, I've even seen some 70 and 80-year-olds starting a new YouTube channel, go for it. Do not let age hold you back. At 52, I have started a YouTube channel on a journey about weight loss. I mean, who would think that a 50-year-old would be starting a YouTube channel? And a lot of times we think YouTube is just for young people. Well, it is not. It is for people in their 50s and over. We are here, we want to learn, and we want to share. And just think about it. When you're older, I just think to myself, if I knew at 20 what I know at 50, I could change the world. And maybe I still can. I don't know. But age brings wisdom and experience that you can't buy. Let's review some key takeaways from this video. It's not about the number of subscribers you have. It's not about how big your channel is. It's about making connections with people, growing, learning new things, the self-confidence that you're going to build, and the blessing you are going to be to somebody. Even if it's one or two people, you can do it. I'm here to let you know it can be done. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear about your YouTube journey. And if you haven't started your YouTube journey yet, what is your hesitation?